To get started with the Bill.com API, you need to understand what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are essentially callbacks that are triggered by specific events, allowing you to receive real-time updates from the Bill.com API. The first step is to create a webhook endpoint, which is the URL that will receive the webhook notifications. This endpoint should be able to handle HTTP POST requests and verify the authenticity of incoming requests. Next, you need to register your webhook endpoint with the Bill.com API. This involves providing the endpoint URL and specifying the types of events you want to receive notifications for, such as new invoices or payments. Once your webhook is set up, the Bill.com API will send an HTTP POST request to your endpoint whenever a specified event occurs. The request will contain a JSON payload with information about the event, such as the type of event and the relevant data. To verify the authenticity of incoming requests, you can use a secret key provided by the Bill.com API. This key is included in the webhook request as a header, allowing you to verify that the request came from the Bill.com API. When handling webhook notifications, it's essential to acknowledge the request by returning a 200 OK response. This lets the Bill.com API know that the notification was received successfully. If your endpoint fails to acknowledge the request, the Bill.com API may retry the notification multiple times. Best practices for working with the Bill.com API webhooks include implementing idempotent handling, which ensures that your endpoint can handle duplicate notifications without causing issues. You should also implement logging and monitoring to track webhook notifications and detect any potential issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the Bill.com API webhooks to receive real-time updates and automate your workflow. This allows you to streamline your accounting and billing processes, reducing manual errors and increasing efficiency.